While the United Nations has called for a moratorium over artificial intelligence posing threat to human rights, the global agency has called on countries to ban AI applications that do not comply with international human rights law. But there was a special mention of face scanning systems. The technology is in fact accused of categorizing people on the basis of ethnicity or gender. And since there is little transparency around artificial intelligence and its use, the disparity goes undetected.
The crux of the argument made in the report is simple. Artificial intelligence poses enormous risks for human rights, and despite those implications, it has been designed and deployed across systems critical to our most basic freedoms without proper regulation or oversight. This is not about the risks of AI for human rights in the future. It is about the reality we see today. Without immediate and far-reaching shifts in how we address AI deployment and development, the existing harms will multiply at scale and with speed. And the worst part of it is, we won't even know the extent of the problem because there is so little transparency around artificial intelligence and its use.
Now, the comments have come after a new report examined as to how governments and companies have rushed to adopt artificial intelligence and have failed to carry out due diligence. The United Nations has acknowledged the upside of the technology but has urged to also see the downside of it. The United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights has called to halt the facial scanning until privacy and data protection standards are met.
As our work makes abundantly clear, AI is already part of our lives, and there is no time to lose in the fight to ensure that it is designed and deployed in a manner that makes our societies better and more rights-respecting, rather than being a tool that enables discrimination, invades our privacy, and undermines our rights.
Now, there have already been many cases of people being treated unjustly because of AI, such as being denied social security benefits because of faulty AI tools, or have been arrested because of flawed facial recognition where the AI mistakes an individual for another criminal. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.